What's good, YouTube? Today I will show you how to replace the rear bumper of the 2015 and up WRX. As you can see, someone rear-ended me and the didn't have insurance, so now I have to do it on my own. And here's the new bumper. Bought it off a gentleman on Facebook, and has minor scratches and some minor blemishes, but it's gonna be way better than having a hole in your bumper, so let's get to it. So underneath the wheel well, there are these caps that you have to push the center of, and then you pry it out and it'll come right off. Underneath the car, there's a couple cap screws you'll have to pop off throughout the perimeter of the car, and it looks to be about 5, 8 of them, so those need to come off too. And in the trunk compartment, there are two 10mm bolts that will need to come off.
Corners of my mind. Been long since last touched for the first time. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine, like the stars had all aligned.
After trying to pry the bumper off, I found out there are two more. They're kind of hidden. They're kind of above the rear diffuser. There's two more caps that you need to pop off. One on this side and one right on the other side. So let's go ahead and do that. So the toughest part of removing the bumper is physically removing the bumper from the body of the car. The bolts, the screws, the caps were easy to take care of, but actually removing the bumper was the tough part because I wanted to be careful with it. But it eventually came off. It took I think the most time out of everything. But yeah, now I'm done. It took me about 1 hour, and I'm soaking wet. It's been raining harder as I was working on the car. So I'm gonna call it a day, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you guys later.